My mother refused to come for my omugwo because I married a poor man. I've been married for 6 years now, and my mother has never visited my home. My elder sister got married to a rich man, and she's now the princess of the house. Even before I got married to my husband, my mother has always been against my union because the man is not rich. And I told her, this is the man I love. I don't really care about money as far as he's working and he's comfortable. And it has always been like that, but I didn't know my mother would take it this far. My sister got married a year before I got married. So I got married a year after, and I was pregnant first. I was about 9 months pregnant when my sister was about 7 months pregnant. And I told my mom, this is my last month of pregnancy. I've already prepared everything. When are you coming? My mother blatantly told me that she's not coming. No. Coming to do what? When your sister is pregnant. Your sister is 7 months pregnant, and I'm preparing my strength to go and do omugo for her. I'm like, I don't understand. We live in Lagos together. I'm already 9 months pregnant. My sister still has 3 months to go. Why don't you come to my place? Okay, even if you want to rest, you can come for like a month or 2 months. Then you can go to her place and rest before she gives birth. Then you continue your job there. She said she's not coming to my house. Where is she coming to stay? Her husband built a 7-bedroom duplex. She should not come and be staying in Face Me I Slap You. She's not going to try that. She's not coming. I should look for somebody to come and take care of me. And I told her that I don't stay in a Face Me I Slap You. I stay in a room and parlor self-contained, and it is a flat. She said she's not coming. My mother said she can't come and sleep in the heat. I was explaining to her, I have AC in my parlor. I have AC in my bedroom. Even though it is not split AC, but I have AC. And we are comfortable. Even if there's no light,